Hello, let's tonight try to graph the line y equals 4x. Okay, to do this we'll approach it in one of the most straightforward ways, which is just guessing numbers as inputs, or taking any numbers as random inputs, and then figuring out what the outputs of the function are, or what y values correspond to what x values. So as a first example, I decided to take x equals -1, relatively small number, easy to work with. So notice that if we replace in the equation x with the number -1, we then get that y equals 4 times -1, because the equation is y equals 4x. Of course, 4 times -1 is -4. And so, when we have an x value of -1, we get a y value that is equal to -4. In the graph, that would mean we would go 1 left, 1, 2, 3, 4 down, and that would be the point -1, -4. Next, in green, I chose to use the number 0 for the input for x. So then, y is equal to 4 multiplied by 0, and 4 times 0 is just 0. So now we have a point that has an x-coordinate of 0 and a y-coordinate of 0, and that's located at the origin on the graph, 0, 0. Finally, if we let x equal 1, then you can see that y is equal to 4 times 1, and 4 times 1 is just 4. So in the graph, that would mean we would move 1 to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4 upwards. 1, 4. So these 3 points, when connected, would go through -1, -4, 0, 0, and then 1, 4. And that's the graph of this particular line.